Hi children, how are you all? You studied about rational numbers yesterday's class. Yes, yes. You have studied already. You studied in 6th standard, 7th standard and all rational numbers, integers and all we studied. We are all know, but just we are going through that, isn't it? We want to revise that things and all what and all we studied in 5th standard, 6th standard and all. So just go through that again. Yesterday we studied what and all, we studied addition and subtraction of rational numbers there, isn't it? Add, subtract, how we add and subtract, you remember that? Yes. Okay, now we can multiply and check. We can multiply, that is here 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. You know this? Yesterday we add, isn't it? Yesterday we add like 1 by 2 plus 2 by 4 like this and all we add and do it. Yesterday we add, subtract, everything. So now we can go to multiplication. How we multiply this? Yesterday we find out what LCM and all, addition and subtraction we find out LCM and we just check it out. Here we don't want what? We don't want LCM. We can just do what here, you can try it out. Yesterday I just give you one example I think so. So 2 into 3 it is 6 and 3 into 4, what is 3 into 4? It is 12. Again we just cancel yesterday, that is 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 12, isn't it? This and all we studied. So we know also how to do this and all. This is the what? This is rational number. This is a rational number. If minus sign comes here means answer will become minus here. Okay. So this and all we know. So again division also we just can revise. That is if the number is 2 by 4 divided by 6 by 8. So if the rational number is like this. So what? Divide. If divide comes, what it happens? What will you do if the divide is there? If multiplication means we can multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator by the denominator itself. But here, what happens here? Division means we can divide like this. 2 by 4 divided by 6 by 8. Like this we can divide? No. This is not possible, isn't it? It is not possible to do like that. So, we know, we studied here 2 by 4, what? This division will change. That is, this division will turn. So, by this fraction itself, it will turn and the reciprocal. What is meant by reciprocal? That is, numerator will come down and the denominator will go upside. So, here it becomes multiplication and this become 8 by 6. You remember this children? Last year we studied this and we do so many problems by doing like division, multiplication and all. So, what happens here? 2 by 4 will not change. Some children will do what? 2 by 4 will change like this. That is 2 by 4, instead of 2 by 4 they will write like 4 by 2 into 6 by 8 like this. Don't do like that. It is wrong. So, we must do what? 2 by 4 and the division sign, we can rotate this division sign. So, we are rotating this division sign means not here it is changing, it will be changed only this side. So, you must think like that. So, this division sign is rotating and 6 by 8 will change as 8 by 6. So, again the same like multiplication. So, how will you do this multiplication? One way is you can cancel from here itself, that is one numerator, one denominator, or otherwise you can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator itself. So, one method is 2 into 8, it is 16 by 6 into 4, it is what? 6 4s are 24, like this you can do. Otherwise, you can do what? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, like that it will be coming. Okay, so the answer will be what? Same. Here 16 by 24. 16 by 24 means you know how to cancel 16 by 24. Which number will go in 16 by 24? Yes, you all know 2 will go in 16 and 2 will go in 24. How many times? 2 8s are 16, 2 what? 12. So again 8 and 12. Which number will go in 8 and 12? Here 2 will go 4 times, 2 will go again 6 times. Again, which number will go? 2 will go 2 times, 2 will go 3 times. So, it comes like 2 by 3. You can shorten this, but I just take my own number. You can use your number and cancel. Okay, you can take which number will go in 16 and 24, like that also. Step will shorten. Here I just take 2. By taking 2 and then I just divide all the numbers, or you can take like what, 2 by 4 into 8 by 6, that is 2 will go 1 time, 2 will go 3 time, or 4 will go 1 time, 4 will go 2 time. So it becomes 2 by 3. The same answer that we got here, 2 by 3. This is how division. Okay, so children, you must understand, when division comes means division will rotate like this and it will be turned and it becomes reciprocal, and you can use your method. Don't change this side, you must change that side. In the cancellation and all, you can use your multiplication tables and all, and you can multiply, but multiplication tables you must be thorough. Don't use any other multiplication tables and all. The number is going, that number is going in that number only, that number only you must take and solve. Okay, so this is what the division. So here again you understand this, you all study this and all, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Again we can go by using properties. Here also again we are coming to properties, rational numbers. By using rational numbers we have so much of properties, that is what here we studied in 6th standard and all, we studied rational integers properties and all. The same properties we are using here also. First property I will tell. Here property is closure property. You remember children in 7th standard and all, you remember closure property, distributive property, additive, identity, like that and all we studied, isn't it? I am just going through that by using rational numbers here. Closure property. Here the closure property we are using for addition. So for addition, that is a rational number here. Rational number I am taking here like A by B plus C by D. Okay, so rational number means numerator and the denominator will be there, isn't it? That will be negative number or positive number, both we can take. So here when the addition comes means, here I am taking A is a number, B another, so A by B plus C by D. What it happens there? We study closure property for addition, integers and all. We studied what A plus B, what A plus B must be an integer. So like that itself, here also A by B plus C by D will be what? A rational number itself. That will be a rational number. Okay, when a rational number is added to another rational number we will get. So the same thing what we studied, isn't it? You just remember and brush your head and all, like what and all we studied. Okay, you just close your eyes and you just think what and all we studied last year in integers and all. So the same thing we are using in rational numbers. So here addition, a rational number got added to another rational number, we will get a rational number itself. So we can check this addition. How? If the rational number when added to another rational number, what? Here if the number is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It's a rational number, isn't it? So here, or we can take 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. So what happens? Here 2 by 3 is a rational number, another rational number is what? 4 by 3. So what happens here? 2 plus 4. We studied denominator same means we will add numerator. So we are adding numerator. What? Numerator is what here? 2 and 4. Denominator is 3. So here 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4 there? 2 plus 4 is 6. So 6 by 3 is again a rational number, isn't it? Here again a rational number. So you will think like this. What? 6 by 3. You can cut here, isn't it? So it becomes 2. So you will be thinking, you studied almost, you studied in 4th standard or 5th standard, I think so. Here 2. 2 is a rational number, isn't it? We studied 2. 2 means 2 by 1. 2 means it is 2 by 1. So every number will be having denominator 1. So this is also a rational number. So here when we add a rational number to another rational number, we will be getting another rational number itself. So this satisfies this condition, that closure property satisfied in addition there. Okay, you understand, children? So you must do this problem, or you can take your own numbers and you can try it out and check it out whether this closure property satisfies here. Okay, again there is addition. After addition we can go to what? Multiplication. Here multiply. What it happens here? Multiply. If a rational number is multiplied by a rational number, a by b into c by d is equal to a rational number. Okay, so here you can think out multiplication, closure property satisfied or not. A by b is a rational number and c by d is a rational number. So another answer will be also a rational number. You can think, you can check out by using an example, that is 3 by 5 into 4 by 2, like this. So check it out whether they satisfy this condition, that is closure property, or multiplication, that is closure property means when a rational number is multiplied, we are getting rational number multiplied by rational number, we will be getting what? A rational number itself. So we are multiplying 3 by 5 a rational number and 4 by 2 a rational number. So what we will get? 3 by 5 into 4 by 2. So we can multiply 4 3s are 12 by 5 2s are 10. Again, if you want to cancel, you can cancel. So this is a rational number, isn't it? So when we are multiplying and when we are adding, we will get a rational number itself. This is a property for addition and multiplication. Here for closure property, this is known as the what? Closure property. Closure property means what? When we are adding or when we are multiplying, we are getting what? When we are multiplying a rational number by a rational number, we will get a rational number. When we are adding a rational number by another rational number, we will get a rational number itself. So again we can check it out whether multiplication subtraction satisfied, that is for subtract a by b minus c by d. This is a rational number or rational number, that is we can check it out. Here rational number, this is what closure property satisfy, we can check a by b minus c by d. So again another example we can take, that is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Again we can check it out. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. What is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3? It is again 1 by 3, children. So here 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Again a rational number itself. So this property satisfy addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. So you understand here addition plus, it will be coming plus. So the addition means here rational number when get added to another rational number, we will get a rational number. Multiplication also, when we are adding, when we are multiplying a rational number to another rational number, we will get a rational number itself. So for subtraction also, rational number when we are subtracted to another rational number, we will get again a rational number. So like that itself, division also, here division. So for closure property, for division, a by b divided by c by d. So here also we can check, that is also must be having what? The answer will be a rational number. So a by b divided by c by d, we all know a by b divided by c by d. What happens? Yes, just before I told, division comes means this division will change and it will become like a by b into d by c. So we know this also satisfies, because a by b multiplied by d by c, we will get another rational number, isn't it? Another rational number we will get by doing division also. So you all understand here the closure property for addition, closure property for multiplication, closure property for division, closure property for subtraction. Here this also is all satisfied for this rational numbers. So you must check it out by using different numbers. Okay, take different numbers and check it out and practice it out, and then next class we can study another property. Okay, then take care. Bye bye.